Artists have been coming to the South Seas for years, for centuries, drawing inspiration from the natural beauty and the cultural authenticity of the Polynesian people. Tetiaroa really stands out as the quintessential example of all of those things.
Tetiaroa is an atoll comprised of 13 motus located 30 miles off the coast of Tahiti. To most around the world, it is known as Marlon Brando's private island, but for local Tahitians, it has played an important role in their culture for hundreds of years.
In the past, only the royal family of Pomare used to come here, living here a little bit, enjoying the climate. And there was also a lot of stories about these islands, maybe treasure or something like that, you know. So it's a very, very special island for Tahitian people.
Marlon Brando envisioned Tetiaroa as a place for environmental research and education to take place for local Tahitians and tourists. His hope was that this little piece of paradise could somehow change the world.
I think his idea of Tetiaroa would, at the end was for Tetiaroa to be like a stepping stone for educational purpose also. Financed maybe by the hotel. And then Dick came along with this project, and he thought it was going to be perfect.
I met Marlon in 1999, and we worked together for the next 5 years on a common vision that protects the environment, serves the needs of capital, and also meets the desires and expectations of the community.
Pacific Beachcomber is hoping to accomplish 3 things through the Brando Hotel development. First, to maintain, preserve, and fund greater research of the environment. Second, support the growth and well-being of the local community. And third, to build the most luxurious, eco-friendly resort on the planet.
Tetiaroa community, such as it is, will consist, first of all, of the Brando, the hotel, 36 villas. We're talking about a different kind of luxury. We're talking about a sort of luxury unplugged, and we'll also be offering 25 home sites. A certain number of individuals that wish to will be able to actually own a lot and build a home on Tetiaroa.
The community infrastructure on Tetiaroa is designed to allow all residences and guests to live in a neutral carbon footprint environment.
So the idea of that society to build a hotel here, and a special hotel that preserves the environment, the nature of this island, is very important for me as a mayor.
When the Brando opens its doors in 2013, it is expected to be the first Platinum LEED certified destination resort in the world.
We'll be using solar, of course. We have a lot of sun. It's a great resource. And in addition, we'll be using coconut oil. Coconut oil, it turns out, is a perfectly legitimate fuel for generating electricity.
Pacific Beachcomber is working with an innovative energy management company whose integrated power electronics and flow battery technology will provide the island with a reliable source of energy with no impact on the environment. Years ago, Marlon Brando originated the idea of seawater air conditioning. But through the help of Pacific Beachcomber, it became a reality when first implemented at their Bora Bora resort. Marlon Brando's idea will now be used to help reduce energy costs on Tetiaroa as well.
My role is to develop 3 different domains of activities: education, research and conservation, to try and make sure this atoll specifically is developed in a sustainable way for the future generation. And our goal as researchers and biologists is to try and evaluate the frequency of nesting of the female green sea turtle.
Pacific Beachcomber is boldly pursuing the vision Marlon Brando has always had for Tetiaroa, a place to escape, learn, and innovate new ways to protect the culture and environment of Tahiti.
In some sense, this is a very ambitious project, and if you do what we do for a business, it's a dream project. You don't get many opportunities like this. Tetiaroa was always and I think will always be a place where people can be themselves and get back in touch with who they are. This was true for the King of Airway, and it will be true tomorrow for our visitors.
Save Tetiaroa, save the planet.